At the end of the 19th century, many scientists believed that physics had already solved almost all of the major problems of nature. The universe seemed to be like a giant machine, perfectly explained by the laws of classical physics, but a small problem involving light changed everything. This problem opened the door to an entirely new field of science known as quantum physics. At the end of the 19th century, scientists were very interested in understanding how hot objects emit light and energy. For example, we can observe that when a piece of metal is heated, it begins to glow. At first it appears red, then it becomes yellow, and at very high temperatures it can appear white. This phenomenon led scientists to ask an important question: what theory can explain this behavior? To study this problem, scientists used an idealized object called a black body. A black body is an object that absorbs all incoming light and does not reflect any light back. When it is heated, it emits radiation with many different frequencies. This radiation is known as black body radiation. Scientists wanted to understand how the emitted energy changes with the frequency of light. According to classical physics, particularly the Rayleigh-Jeans law, the emitted energy should continuously increase as the frequency increases. This means that at very high frequencies, such as ultraviolet light, the energy should become extremely large, even approaching infinity. However, experimental measurements showed something completely different. At high frequencies, the energy does not increase to infinity. Instead, it decreases. This huge disagreement between theory and experiment became known as the ultraviolet catastrophe. The word catastrophe reflects the serious failure of classical physics to explain this phenomenon. This problem opened the door to a new understanding of nature, quantum physics. In 1900, the German physicist Max Planck proposed a revolutionary idea. Planck was trying to find an equation that could fit the experimental data of blackbody radiation. He discovered that the data could be explained if atoms inside matter could emit energy only in discrete packets rather than continuously. These packets of energy are called quanta. Planck described this idea with the equation E equals nh nu, where n is an integer 1, 2, 3, h is Planck's constant, nu is the frequency of light. Later, this idea is often written in the simpler form E equals h nu. This concept became the first step toward quantum physics. A few years later, another scientist took this idea even further. His name was Albert Einstein. In 1905, Einstein explained a phenomenon called the photoelectric effect. In this effect, light can cause electrons to be ejected from a metal surface. Einstein proposed that light is not only a wave, it can also behave like a particle. These particles of light are called photons. In 1913, the physicist Niels Bohr proposed a new model of the atom. Scientists had observed that atoms, especially hydrogen atoms, emit light only at very specific frequencies. These appear as spectral lines. Classical physics could not explain why only specific frequencies were emitted. Bohr suggested that electrons can exist only in specific energy levels. When an electron jumps from one energy level to another, it emits or absorbs a photon. This idea successfully explained the spectral lines of hydrogen. It was another strong indication that the atomic world behaves very differently from the classical world. Later, the French physicist Louis de Broglie proposed another remarkable idea. He suggested that not only light but all particles can behave both as waves and particles. Even electrons can exhibit wave-like properties. This concept is known as wave-particle duality. In the 1920s, several scientists developed a new theoretical framework known as quantum mechanics. Among them were Werner Heisenberg, Erwin Schrödinger, Paul Dirac. They developed mathematical tools to describe the behavior of particles at the microscopic scale. In quantum mechanics, the state of a particle is described by a wave function. Instead of predicting exact positions, quantum physics predicts probabilities of where particles may be found. The discovery of quantum physics completely transformed our understanding of the microscopic world. From the study of light, scientists gained new insights into atoms and fundamental particles. Today, quantum physics forms the foundation of many modern technologies, including lasers, semiconductors, medical imaging, quantum computers. Quantum physics shows us that the smallest scales of nature are filled with mysteries and fascinating. If you enjoy science videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to explore more topics about science and the universe.